Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh, and today let's talk about Fantom and its native token FTM and do a AI-based forecast for the monthly average price scenario in the base case, the bull case, and the bear case for Fantom going forward from October 2023 till May 2024. We'll be using the historical data at a monthly average level starting Fantom's launch in October 2018, and we'll be using the AI model which is LSTM, which stands for long short-term memory, a neural network-based machine learning model, and ARIMA, which stands for auto regressive integrated moving average, and create a AI-based forecast for Fantom. We'll present the three scenarios in a easily understandable way using price action and not delve too much into the technical details of the AI technique. So before we do the AI-based forecast, I think this is the third time we are covering this video on the channel, this Fantom crypto on the channel. So if you like this content, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel so as to be updated with the AI-based forecast and help us grow our channel as well in the process. So we'll also be conducting evaluation of our AI-based forecast so far and compare how they have been performing versus the actuals. That is the real data that we now have of the price action. So on the chart that you're seeing on the screen, this is the base case scenario for Fantom going all the way to May 2024. We have encountered some key levels of lately, so that's why we have decided to update this and create this video as well as update the model as well. So the chart that you are seeing on the screen is color coded from dark green to dark red based on how far that the price action at that point was away from the average price for the entire time series, that is from 2018 to 2023, and how far if the price action was undervalued, the color code was green. If the price action is overvalued, the color code is red. So for example, in January 2022, when the monthly average price peaked at $2.55, the Z value that you're seeing on the screen, that is how the colors have been assigned. The Z value was 3.46. That means in January 2022, the price action was 3.5 standard deviations away from the average price for the entire time series, that is 2021 till 2023. That means that the token peaked at 3.5 standard deviation price, and that's why it got the color assignment of darkest red. If we compare to the territory of the 20 cents territory, where uh, Fantom did try after 2021, beginning of 2021, this particular asset did try to find its bottom thrice around that 20 cents level, once in July 2021, once in November 2022 time frame, and the last time was the last month, that is August September 2023. It dipped below the support of around 20 cents. Now if you check the price action on websites such as, or exchanges such as CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, TradingView, or any crypto exchange, you will find that if Fantom is trading at around 18 cents. So this has been a key level which has broken down to the downside, and that's the reason why we are updating the forecast and making this video today. So back in April 2023, we had data when we made the first video, we had data till April 2023. Our model had forecasted the following price actions. So the one in blue was the model's forecast, and the one in light green is the actuals. So you can see that the forecasts have been uh, tracking the actuals really well. Now that we have more data, we can say that the model that we had built in March April time frame did a fair job of estimating what was in store for the second and the third quarter of 2023. Now that we are in October 2023, we have updated the model till September 2023, and the following are the AI based forecast starting October. And these are not financial advice, these are use of historical data to forecast future price action. So using machine learning and AI as a input. So for October, per the AI model, the monthly average price is coming in at 17 cents, which is 1.5 cents lower than the current price of Fantom. For November, per the AI model, this is the bottom forecasted by the AI model sometime in November at average price of 13 and 13.7 cents. December is below the current level at around 17.6 cents. January at 24 cents. February again 24 cents. March at 24.7 cents. April at 22.5 cent, and May at 20 cents. So this is the trajectory forecasted by the AI model. We'll keep on updating the model as we see the actuals, that is as we traverse to the end of 2023. We'll check how accurate this AI model has been. If there are any major divergences, we'll update the AI model with the latest data to help you understand what is the potential base case scenario for Fantom. And just another scenario that we would like to present is the bull case scenario. You can see that so far the bull case scenario has been shying away from the actuals at a similar pace. So the one standard deviation that we assume in a bull case scenario is if there are any potential rallies in the uh, in the uh, in the midst of 2023 or the first half of 2024. These the line in the blue line will serve as a theoretical ceiling, and you can see that so far that ceiling has not been breached and the price action has been consistently below this ceiling. So it helps put a cap on the potential rallies that we might see in the future. And this AI based model in this scenario, the bull case scenario, helps us do exactly that. And again, not financial advice. This doesn't mean that if it hasn't been breached so far, it won't be breached if there are any significant bull rallies, because one standard deviation away to the upside only covers at about 85% of the sample space. There are still about 15% chance that it might go on top of that. That's why we have one standard deviation, two standard deviation, and three standard deviation. We like to stick with one standard deviation in our channel because we are more interested in operating on a tighter range rather than saying that the forecast is in a wider range. For example, from it might go from little over 20 cents to about $10. So that kind of wider range doesn't serve the interest of the audience. So we are okay with sacrificing some accuracy in exchange of more action oriented forecasts. So for October, in the bull case scenario, the theoretical ceiling that I mentioned earlier is at about 25.9, almost 26 cents. For November, the ceiling is at 22.5 cent. December is at 26 cents. January is at 33 cents. February 32 cents. March 32 cents. April 31 cents, and May 28 cents. This is the ceiling case scenario. The opposite of this is the bear case scenario. What if there are one standard deviation to the downside move due to a bear case, or if there is events similar to a recession or recession related unwinding? So in that case, per the AI model, you can see that although this was one standard deviation to the downside, this is not exactly the difference between the actuals, at least since June and since June July time frame, have been very minuscule. This is because This is not just one standard deviation to the downside. On our bull case and the bear case, we'd like to multiply that one standard deviation with a relevant z-score so as to more tighten the range and make it as close to the reality as possible and make it more actionable. So for the end of October, if the theoretical floor uh, or one standard deviation move to the downside in case of a bear case scenario is coming in at 13 cents. For November, it's at 9.3 cents. December is at 11.5 cents. January is 18.5 cents. February 16.5 cents. March 17 cents. April 14 cents and May 11.5 cents. So to summarize the three scenarios, the base case per the AI model, the lows are forecasted in November at around 13 and 13.7 cents. We are at 18 cents level, so a dip in October at around 17, then in November at around 14 cents, and then rally back up to 20-25 cents. And during the Bitcoin halving, and 1 month after Bitcoin halving is around 20 cents. That's the base case. The bull case, the elevated price action, the theoretical ceiling, the lowest point is at in November at around 22 cents, and then as we move towards the end of the year, the rally goes back, or the theoretical ceiling goes back to about 33 to 29 to 33 cents. That's the bull case. The bear case is if there are any significant downturns, this token might in one standard deviation move away, or a recession related event, this token might go lower than 10 cents to about 9 and 9.4 cents level. And if that doesn't materialize at the end of 2023, then the theoretical floor is coming in at around 15 cents in the first quarter of 2024, and in the second quarter at around 14 to 10 to 14 cents in second quarter of 2024. So hope you like this content. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also give this video a like if you liked it, and hope to see you again tomorrow. And in the meanwhile, you can also check out the USD forecast for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and major top 100 uh, cryptos by market cap on the channel. We have dedicated playlists for that. I hope you check them out as well, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye bye.